How to install a custom ROM in Lenovo a7-30hc. The custom ROM is slim ROM. Now follow my steps. First, reboot into recovery mode. It takes some time. When we enter into recovery mode, first wipe, advanced wipe, Dalvik cache, system cache data, wipe, then go back, install, I have placed slim ROM on download, internal memory. Then install gapps. Then confirm to flash the 2 zips. Now it is flashing. When we want to install a custom ROM, we want to be careful because boot loop occurs, or it can become stuck. So please confirm to install any ROM. Remember that we want to wipe the cache, system and Dalvik cache, but internal and external we should not want to wipe it because we can by wiping it we can lose our data. So if you necessary to back up your data, then you can back up in backup option. It take more time to install a ROM because TWRP is a old version. So remember, by installing any ROMs, we do we should not press the power button or anything because it can cause boot loop or system software will be gone. So follow the steps clearly and install any ROM. For Lenovo a7-30hc, it is a slim ROM. It is based on Marshmallow. It is installing. Later I will release Nougat slim ROM for Lenovo a7-30hc. It is based on Nougat. Yeah, it flashed Rome. Now it is flashing the apps. The apps failed because any problem with hacker. So I want to install a new apps. Now I am rebooting. First reboot take more time, maximum 10 to 15 minutes. Slim ROM boot logo it is. It is based on Marshmallow. Now got Slim ROM. Later I will link in description. So watch this. This ROM consists some bugs, but I did not check it. Now I check it. So think and install the custom ROM.